Tales, a place where we use story maps to tell a story. I have just got up and I'm very hungry, so let's look to see what's in the fridge. Oh no! I've got no breakfast to eat. I know. I'm going to go to the shop. Do you want to come? Right, I've got to put on my coat. There we go. It's very cold outside, so I've got to do up my zip. There we go. Now, I've been gone for a long time, so I'm just going to lock the door, just to be safe. Let's go. Are you coming? We're here now. I'm just going to pick up a basket so that can help me. Need to get some milk. Orange juice. Found the bread. I can make some toast. I haven't got my favourite cereal. Oh well. I'll get this instead. Right, I'm ready to pay. Right, let's walk home. I can't wait to eat my breakfast. So much good food in there. You coming in? Don't forget to wipe your feet. Here we go. Breakfast time, finally. So hungry. I wonder what I should write about today though. I've got an idea. Today's story map is going to be all about my trip to the shop. For today's story map, we're going to be using some time conjunctions. So I'm going to teach you the actions and then you copy me after each one. Ready? Good. Here we go. First, after that, because, later on, next, but, so, eventually, finally. Well done. You were very good at that. I'm very impressed. Okay, let's get started. Now, what was the first thing that I did again? Right, got to put on my coat. That's right. The first thing that I did was put on my coat and then put on my shoes. So let's write that down on our story map. So I've got first, I'm going to draw a jacket that I was wearing because it was very cold outside. And then I'm going to draw my shoes that I was wearing. Now after that, I do remember that I had to do my laces. There are my laces there. I'm going to write my next one, my next time conjunction as after that. And I left the house. And draw my house. And I'm going to draw a key because I had to remember to lock the door. So I'm going to use because. Now, what did I do after I left the house? Just going to look up a basket so that can help me. So I put later on, I can draw a shop. Let's do that here. There we go. It's got a nice front there. I went to the shop and I picked up a shopping basket so I could put my shopping in. That's very helpful. Next, so I'm going to put next down here. That's my time conjunction. I got some milk, which was very nice. It was very cool in there. And then I also got some orange juice. For now, I'm just going to draw myself. This could be my orange. And then I got some bread. So there's a nice loaf of bread that I bought, which was also very yummy. Now I do remember what happened next. I remember going for some cereal, but they didn't have the one I wanted, so I had to get a different one. Oh, but then what happened eventually? That's right, eventually I went to the till and paid for my food, and then finally I walked back home and had my lovely breakfast. Right, I think I'm ready to go through my whole story map. Are you going to help me? I hope so. First, I put on my jacket, slipped on my shoes and tied the laces. After that, I left the house and locked the front door because I'd been gone for a long time. Later on, I went to the shop and picked up a shopping basket. Next, I bought some milk, orange juice and bread. I wanted some cereal, but they didn't have the one I wanted, so I picked up a different one. Eventually, I went to the till and paid for my food. Finally, I walked all the way home and enjoyed my lovely breakfast. So that's my story map. Would you like to do one too? Perhaps you could do yours about what you did over the weekend or the last holiday that you had. Thanks for tuning into Map Tales. If you'd like to watch more videos just like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The details are below. Thanks for watching.